Good evening, folks, and welcome to CB Interior Design. Okay, so this is the very beginning of how it all started, was me getting all these materials, which is the Backsplash. During this pandemic has been a hard hit for me, trying to gather all these materials and the tools that I need. And because of this pandemic, there has been a lot of issues with these materials that I'm trying to get. I know I haven't really uploaded any videos in a while, but right now what I'm showing you here is basically the step-by-step process. So as you can see here, I am kind of trying to mix water and mortar into this orange bucket. So what I'm trying to do right now is try to make this compound for my backsplash to stick onto the wall. Okay, I'm very new at these kind of things. I've never really experienced this, but since I'm studying as a construction manager, I kind of read through the books how backsplash are being installed, and I read through it and then I tried to follow through it, and it's very challenging as much as I can say, but very hard. Okay, now putting up the backsplash has become very challenging, especially that you're gonna go through corners. As you can see on these videos, on this video right here, and I'm showing you on these windows, there's been a lot of corners, and it's kind of a bit impossible for my tile cutter to get through it. So what I had to do was I had to grind it off. So it's the second day. I'm gonna try to finish this backsplash on one side of my kitchen, and look at this. It's fully dried already. I still have to fill in some of these holes here, and then I also got some of this hole that I need to fill in. So I'm gonna finish that today. this is the backsplash that I'm going to be installing on the other side of the kitchen. So right now I'm trying to see this whole concept thing of this LED strip that I'm going to be putting. And I'm trying to figure out how this light's going to go behind the wall over this backsplash. So this is going to be a very long process to get this thing sorted out. So right now I'm not really going to start working on this yet. I'm just kind of starting to pre-plan this whole thing, making easy access to replace the light without causing a problem. That is all for today, you guys. I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my page, and please like and share this video, and hopefully in the future I will upload more. But for now, there will be a part 2 that will be coming out next year, and hopefully I have the time to do it. So I would like to say thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next time. As you can see here, this is gonna be the next backsplash with LED strip. So this one right here, this is the LED strip that I have purchased on IKEA. So what I'm gonna do here and establish this is having this LED strip onto the wall with the backsplash on. So I'm trying to find the measurement for this. So I'm gonna test this one out, how it looks. Like that. So what I want to do is establishing this onto here, just like that. That's all I have to do, you guys. Just like that.